Hey guys, hope you're fine. So today I'm sharing a simple goat's meat recipe. It's very simple, very easy ingredients, and of course delicious. So just heat your pan and then put butter, then place the meat into the pan. Make sure it's washed, cut any shape that you're comfortable with, and then just let the meat cook. So in case you want to eat red meat and you want something that takes a shorter time to cook, I would advise you to eat goat's meat because it actually cooks for a shorter time compared to other red meats. So I'm just gonna season it with salt and black pepper, and then I'll just continue to fry it. So fry the meat until it dissolves most of the moisture, and when it starts browning, we add fresh ingredients, starting with the onions. Just fry them until they are cooked, then add your spring onions, add the green capsicums, fry them shortly, carrots, fry them shortly. Then I'm going to just add my tomato paste and then fry it shortly because I want it to lose the sweetness in it. It's going to help to make our sauce very thick and of course tasty. Then I'm going to add my tomatoes to the pan. I've used 2 small tomatoes and then fry shortly. They're going to make the sauce juicy, and of course they add a nice flavor to the meat. So I'm going to add the dry ingredients to the pan, and that's coriander powder, and then I'm going to add paprika to the pan, turmeric, cumin powder, and I'm going to add a cube. Then mix everything together. These flavors, when combined, make the sauce taste very nice. They're going to give the goat's meat a very nice, tasty flavor. So I'm not adding any salt because if you remember, I seasoned the meat. That is soy sauce, dark soy sauce. I seasoned the meat. I've put a bullion in the sauce, which is salty, and even the soy sauce is salty, especially the dark one that I've used. And it's also going to help to make our sauce to be a little bit dark. So I'm just adding some stock to the pan and just let it boil until the meat is finely cooked. Add some fresh coriander leaves. And now I'm just going to let it simmer on very low heat so that it finally cooks and for the sauce to become thick. Thank you guys for watching the video.